Model 2018 Citroen Relay 35L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi Luton box van tail lift needs turbo chassis cab 130 PS ULEZ Euro 6. Body white, Luton box. Mileage 189,823. Engine 1997 ccDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, will need the turbo replacing as it is not spinning, still starts and drives fine, just very flat and underpowered, straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.